Here's a KX040-4, stock number 1397, full-away blade, hydraulic pin-on thumb, quick coupler, 24-inch severe duty bucket, splitter valve on hydraulics. Man, it looks like a new one. Go ahead, Jason, if you would, and tell me how many hours on it. We did put brand new tracks on it. It's got one dent right here, is the only dent on it right there. You can't even see it if you didn't already know it. 810. 810 hours. That's a cold start.